So one of the questions that I get asked a lot about the Hyrotrader crypto proof trading firm is, have you made any withdrawal? Are they legit? How can you prove this to me and all of that? Well, today guys, I'm here to prove that to you. So first and foremost, let's go to my dashboard. And if I go to the dashboard right here and then I scroll to the payout option, you will see clearly here, okay, that I have made withdrawals from the Hyrotrader platform. I updated this on Telegram. Okay, I actually went live to let you guys know, to prove all of this to you. But the most important thing, right? I know withdrawals are important, but the most important thing is what you should be focusing on is passing the challenge, because some of you think you just buy the account and immediately they give you a live account to start trading. You have to pass the challenge, and there are recent updates which I'll be sharing with you in a moment. Okay, but before we go into that, for those of you who don't know already, okay, Hyrotrader is a crypto proof trading firm, right? It is a company that gives you capital to trade crypto. As you can see right here, okay, they say the traders are wanted. So if you're a trader, if you can trade, you know you can trade, and you don't have the capital to trade, well, Hyrotrader can actually fund you up to 100K to start trading crypto. All right, now there are new amendments, okay, that I've done to their challenge. Number one is that you can choose to do a one-step challenge, meaning that you just need to do 10% of the account size you're buying, and voila, you got funded immediately. If you want to do the two-step, which is phase one, okay, and phase two, you need to do 10% phase one and then 5% phase two to be able to get funded. But the difference there is in the price. Okay, so if you just want to do 10% with one step, all right, then the remaining 5% you are requesting for withdrawals already, you can go with this, and then you can choose any of the account size that you want to buy. If it is 5K, if it is 10K, 50K, 25K or 100K, any of this one you want to see, you can see the difference right there. With the 100K, you're paying almost 800, okay, to buy a 100K account with one step, okay, and then for two step, you're paying just 600, okay, to buy the 100K account. All right, so if you want to get funded, guys, you need to go, and let's not forget, okay, this fee you're paying once you make withdrawals, the fee are refundable, right? The fee you're paying right now are refundable once you pass the challenge. You can only lose this money completely when you don't pass the challenge. Okay, so Hyrotrader is your best bet if you are looking for capitals to start trading, and if you have been trying a whole lot of crypto prop firm out there that has actually disappointed you guys. As I said in my previous video, I've tried 3 different platforms that claims to be a crypto trading prop firm platform, but at the end of the day, you buy the account, you get stuck with some of these forex terminology, and you're disappointed at the end of the day, right? Because you don't know how to calculate your lot size, neither do you know how to calculate your pips and all of that. So Hyrotrader works with Bybit. So once you get funded, you are linking the Hyro account directly to your Bybit account. I've made a step-by-step video already. I will leave the link to that video in the video description so that you can go ahead and see that. Okay, in that video I actually showed you how to purchase your Hyrotrader account and then how to link it up to your Bybit and then start trading. Once you start trading, if you are going to go with the one-step option, once you make 10% of that account size that you bought, you're automatically funded. And then all you need to make withdrawals, just like I did, okay, is to make 5% of that account. Your first withdrawal requires that you make 5% of that account. So if you buy the 100K account, then you're going to make 5% of that, and immediately you request for withdrawals. Okay, and as you continue to request for withdrawal, if you do that consecutively for 3 months, voila, you have a live account that you'll be trading with, and it is scalable, right? The account is scalable, I think up to 1 million or thereabouts. So guys, take advantage of this, all right? And start making money, right? And start making money for yourself. If I go back to the challenge option, let me just show you something. So this is the one that is currently ongoing. This 100K, this is the one that is currently ongoing. If I go to the failed option, you see that I've tried at 3 different, or I've failed 3 different accounts, okay? And then if you go and show details, you will see the reason why I failed this account. And this is a lesson for you, all right? Now, for each of these accounts, you always see the reason, okay, why you lose that account. I think 2 of those accounts was me not using stop loss within 1 hour of opening that trades and all of that. please, one thing you want to pay attention to, you see where it says show challenge rules. Okay, go ahead and open this. You need to read this thoroughly and understand it. Okay, you need to read this and understand it. And stop loss is very important. Don't open a trade and say, oh, I forgot, I went out, oh, my internet was not good. They won't listen to those complaints. All right, so as they are opening your trade, in fact, before you place your trade, Bybit gives you the option to set TPs and SL before you place those trades. So before you even click the long or the short button, make sure that you include stop losses in those trades. And for those of you who use scale order, all right, please, if you close the first trade where you set your TPs and your SL, make sure the remaining orders are cancelled, because if you are not there and eventually that trade triggers, and you are not there to put stop loss, definitely these guys are going to collect back the account from you. You are going to fail that account. Okay, so it's very, very important. Then your daily drawdown, which is 5%, your maximum drawdown, which is 10%, you need to pay attention to all of this. Okay, stop loss is mandatory, as I've said earlier. All right, and then trading period is unlimited. Okay, so what else again? Just make sure that you read through this, guys. Just make sure that you read through this, understand it. Okay, and then you can start trading and making money on the Hyrotrader platform for yourself. That is it for this video, guys. If you have gained value from the video, make sure you smash that like button. If you are new to the channel, you're most welcome. Okay, subscribe to the channel and then hit the notification bell to be the first to be notified whenever I publish new videos like this. And if you want to take advantage of all of our free signals, if you are not on the Telegram platform already, use the link in the video description. Join us on Telegram or use the link on my bio. Okay, so you need a Bybit account to start trading with Hyro. Make sure that you sign off for a Bybit account using the link in the video description. I'll see you in the next video, guys. Bye for now.